If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To sort lists in QuickBooks Online, click the column heading label for the column by which to sort the list's data. However, not all the column heading labels in the list are clickable. To find out if you can sort by a column heading label, hover your mouse pointer over a column heading label. If the mouse pointer icon turns into a pointing hand icon when you hold it over the column heading label, then you can click it to sort by the values within that column label. Click the column heading label once to sort by the column's values in ascending order, meaning A to Z or 1 to 9. Click the same column heading label again to sort by the column's values in descending order, meaning Z to A or 9 to 1. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.